Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, Review Math Always. Now, this is our segment, How to Solve This, discussion number 18. Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating naging viewers ng ating RMA channel. Ayan, gagawin natin yung comment ng isang viewer, Sir, paki-explain naman ang math ng Tagalog, mas nauunawaan po namin. Ayan, this is for you. Marami pong salamat. And do not forget to subscribe and like this video and share also to others. Marami pong salamat. Ayan, ito yung ating given. Square root of 49 raised to x over 7 raised to x equals 7. Paano natin ito isosolve? Okay, may nakita tayong radical sign sa left side. Sa right side naman, 7 value lang. Anong gagawin natin? Tingnan muna natin. Ito yung ating solution. Square root of 49 raised to x over 7 raised to x. Pwede muna nating unahing galawin yung nasa loob, yun yung radicand. Okay? 49 raised to x over 7 raised to x. Kung mapapansin natin, paano natin ma-evaluate ang 49 over 7? Ay meron tayong exponent. Ang gagawin natin, gagamitin natin yung application ng ating quotient rule property. Ano yun? Yung a over b that also raised to x. That is equivalent to a raised to x over b raised to x sa ating rules or quotient rule property. Okay, now, anong gagawin natin? Pwede pala nating ibalik iyon sa kanyang form kasi ito po ay in-expand natin, dinistribute natin. Single exponent lang ito, naka-single exponential form sa x degree or exponent. 49 over 7, the quantity, gumamit tayo ng parenthesis or quantity, then that also raised to x. Automatic, yung ating exponent na x ay kapag dinistribute natin sa loob, ganun din ang magiging sagot dito sa nauna nating given. Okay? Ganun din ang magiging sagot. Now, what is next? Ano ang sunod natin gagawin? Kapag na-distribute na natin, pwede na nating isimplify yung ating 49 divide 7. Anong sagot? Pag 49 divide 7, anong sagot? Correct, 7. Kaya matitira pa rin ang x natin sa taas, meron pa rin radical sign or square root symbol, sinagutan lang natin ang 49 divide 7 which is 7. Okay, now, ganito na yung mangyayari, yung magiging sagot. Kasi kanina, sinagutan natin yung 49 divide 7, 7 na lang yung natira. Pero still, nandun pa rin yung exponent na x at yung square root symbol or radical sign. Okay, now we have square root of 7 raised to x equals 7. What is our next step? Ano yung sunod na gagawin natin? Ang gawin natin dito, tanggalin natin yung radical sign. Paano? Square lang natin both sides. Matatanggal na yon. Okay, ano mangyayari doon? Makakancel na yung radical sign at saka yung exponent na 2. Okay, now ano matitira? Radicand sa loob. Sa left side natin, yun ang natira. 7 raised to x equals 7 squared. Hindi pa rin nagalaw yung nasa kanang bahagi. Now, as we can see, may nakita tayo. Bakit hindi natin sinimplify yung 7 squared as 49? Why? Kasi gagamitin natin. Kapag nag-balance ang base sa equational form, anong mangyayari kapag balance? Yan, 7 raised to x equals 7 squared. Pwede nating i-cancel yung base natin. Then bring down all the exponents. Exponent in left, which is x. Exponent in right, which is 2. Therefore, the value of x here is 2.